Here's the bike out at the end of the pier in Duluth, the Minnesota ship channel, and it's a fun place to ride your e-bike because it's cement. Bikes are allowed, and I just was biking in Park Point, and the James L. Oberstar, which you'll see there, was entering the ship canal, and it's just leaving harbor at Duluth, bound for Munising, Michigan? I'm not sure, but anyway, the great thing about biking here is if you see the lift bridge there, traffic was backed up way out to Park Point. It's a very hot day, popular beach day, and so the cars are lined up way back there, but I was coming back, I saw the bridge was going up, and I was able to speed by all the cars and enter the pier right here. And just as I entered, the James L. Oberstar was coming on this side of the bridge. It had just entered the shipping canal, and I dialed it up to 20 miles per hour on the bike. I was able to get going a little bit faster than the ship. They go quite fast, and I got out to the end here and was able to see it go by. And there she goes now. So it's a fun place to ride your pedal bike or e-bike here in Canal Park, especially on a nice sunny day, and lots of sea level or lake level everything is at lake level along the shoreline here, so it's very nice. Duluth itself is quite hilly, as you can see, but down along the shore, it's very level for biking. And of course, if you have the e-bike, you can climb the hills too, if you like. So I just rolled over 3,000 miles on the e-bike, and it's still running strong, doing well, the Eahora. I'm excited for my third season with the bike, and we're at 3,086.3 miles as of today in June of 2022. So hope you enjoy your e-bike adventures as well.